Alright, yes sir, back at y'all with another video with the pull-up king, man. I'm gonna show y'all 2009 Chevy Impala LTZ 3.9. I'm gonna show you how to do the CV axles on it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Get the car up in the air, safety, jack stand, safety first. Alright, so you wanna make sure you take off this nut here. It's a CV axle nut, and that, what is that? That's a 34. Take off this brake caliper. Alright, we got two 14 mil holding the caliper in. And now, go ahead and take off this outer tie rod. That thing busted up too. Look at that. And that's that bolt there. That's gonna be a 18 mil for that top rod. And you just take a hammer and tap right there, and loosen it up, pop it on out. Alright, excuse the plane. I'm over here in College Park near the airport. So, like I was saying, alright, these bolts here. What is this? This is a 19, I believe. Let me make sure. Okay, this bolt here is a 21. We're gonna loosen that up and pop those out. Once you get those out, you'll be able to swing, as you can see, swing this axle back like that. Look at that, it popped out. Already popped out. You wanna go ahead and tap here. Knock that free from inside the wheel hub. Get that loose. As you can see, it comes out. See all that rust that develops? That's why you want to always put a little bearing grease up in there when we install a new one. Alright, got that out of its position. And that little ring right there, that's how bad the wheel bearings are. This is a housing for a little ring for the wheel bearings. You gotta do those as well, but one repair at a time. That is the inside of that. Pop this out, get a pry bar, get behind it, get up under it, and yeah, pop that out. This is how I got this out here. I went up through here with this fork, went behind it, like that, and I used my hammer to tap that in, and it pushed it on out. Yeah, that shit nasty. That's how that look, and this is how the new one's supposed to look. Boom. Let's get it. Alright, we're going back in reverse order. Got that back in. Boom. Everything back together. Alright, that's the driver's side. Go ahead and jump on that passenger side. Let's go. Passenger side, passenger side. Same thing. Let's get it. In order to get that one out, tap that one out, I went from the back side, got up under the vehicle and tapped it. Got my fork, reached up in there, got on the back side of that and just tapped it with my hammer. That's both sides, man. And they're like swimwear. Yes, sir, man. Y'all already know what time it is. You know what to do, man. If you're liking the content, like the video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Next video, Pull Up King.
With another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.